Township, 3100 Shillington Road at the CVS, cross streets of Iroquois Avenue and James Street for a structure fire. Station 85, Station 79, Engine 85, Engine 36, Engine 57, Engine 69, Ladder 18, Tower 79, 64 for RIT, 6531. Spring Township, 3100 Shillington Road, the CVS, cross streets of Iroquois Avenue and James Street for a structure fire. An odor of something burning with the alarm sounding and smoke in the building. 2111.